Alright guys, got my NOV K7 installed. So the button 2 is actually all connected, so it's running right now. So the Wi-Fi is up, GPS is good, it's recording right now, and if I want to, like emergency or want to save a video, I just push the button and it'll start flashing slowly. Got my USB charger working good. It's running, and what's nice about this is that with the display it actually shows, the bike actually charging, which is great. And then I got the USB-C, and then I got my quad lock here for my phone. Can't mount it right now because I'm recording with it. And front camera there, right in the front. And then we got the rear camera right there, just above the plate. And then also DVRs right here, right there. And then I just kind of bundled up all the wires over here, and yeah, this came useful. And you can see this is the like I said in the other video, this is where the ACC, all the power is coming for ACC, but this is actually connected both ACC and to the battery for like protection when the bike is actually off. So yeah, this is it. I'm done. Throw the seat on, everything's working, and get to riding this guy. I mean, jeez, it's just so hot here in Southern California in the afternoon. So I think the plan, I'm going to go ahead and take a ride on Saturday morning. I think that's what I'll do. But yeah, all the toys are all hooked up, so now we're good to go.